Welcome back. When booking a stand at a trade show, you will need to define what you want your customers and prospects to feel and to experience when visiting your stand. And in order to answer this question, you need to define your stand experience along 3 dimensions. How will your stand look like? Who will be working on your stand? And finally, how sustainable, how durable your stand will be. So let's talk first about the look and feel of your stand. How can you make it interesting enough and intriguing enough so that visitors will be willing to stop by your stand when they could choose instead to stop on the stand next door? It's not about how pretty or expensive it looks. No, that does not really matter. It's about your message, your company, your product. There are many companies on a trade fair selling similar products. So people walking by your stand will need to quickly identify your product by just looking at your stand, and in one look, they will need to understand what is different about your own product. But first, what are you selling? Too many stands do not make it even possible to identify the type of product sold. So think about what you may want to display on the walls of your stand. Go back to your USP and ask yourself, how could you visually translate your unique selling proposition on the walls of your stand? On most Easyfairs events, you can use the option to have graphic walls printed on your stand. It is a great way to define your key messages in a visually impactful format. It is not expensive, but it looks nice and displays the information you need. You can, of course, also use a screen that displays your key messages or a short movie about your products, which is visible by the visitors when they walk in the aisle. Sometimes images speak 1,000 words. So ask the Easyfairs Ops team for their help. They will help you design, customize, and build your ideal stand. Do not hesitate to contact them. They cannot wait to assist you. But there are other ways to make your stand attractive and distinctive. So let's talk about it in our next module. Have a wonderful day.